Hey guys, I am driving on I-40. Just got out of Lake Havasu. I'm driving east on 40 towards Flagstaff before I take the turn off to Las Vegas. But I saw this sphere, and I thought, what in the heck is that? And so I had to pull in. And so what it is a space museum. I thought it was pretty cool. You walk up that long staircase, which I couldn't go up. But I went inside the little store there. I don't know what the name of it is. Area 61 jerky, soda, and snacks, beer, tobacco, ice, groceries, gifts. I don't know. But anyway, this used to be a house. 30 years ago, somebody built it and lived in it for 30 years. And then I don't know what happened to them, but someone bought it and turned it into a space museum. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's exit 25, Alamo Road, in off of I-40. Well, I'm heading east right now. But anyway, I'd love to go up there and see this, but I don't know if I can do those stairs. That's it's kind of a big thing I can't do. So, but hey, if anyone's out this way and can do it, go in there and let me know what you see, okay? All right, later, be back. Look at all the stickers. I wish I had some stickers. Oh my gosh. All the people that's been through here leaving a sticker. Oh man. I need to get some. I need to get some. All right. Well, I'm finally at the place I thought I was at or supposed to be at last night. And let's see, Rachel is only 40 miles away, but I don't know if I want to drive 40 more miles today. I'm kind of tired. So it seems like a really nice place to park for the night. Has a picnic table and everything, so I don't know. I think we'll stay here. Later.